In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your location on your iPhone using the Find My app. This is a simple, secure way to let friends or family know where you are, whether you're meeting up, checking in during travel, or just giving someone peace of mind. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Find My app. If you haven't used it before, it's the built-in app with a map icon, and it's tied to your Apple ID. Make sure you're connected to the internet because location sharing updates in real time. Once the app is open, look along the bottom and tap the People tab. This is where all your location sharing and requests are managed. You'll see any existing shares here, plus the option to add new ones. Next, tap the Add button, which may appear as the word Add or a plus symbol at the top. This is your starting point for sending your location to someone you trust. From the options that appear, tap Share My Location. This tells the app you want to broadcast your current location to a specific person or people. Keep in mind, location sharing works best when the other person is also using an Apple device and is saved in your contacts. Now select the contact you want to share with. You can search by name, phone number, or email that's in your contacts. After you choose the right person, tap Send. The recipient will get a notification letting them know you're sharing your location, and they'll be able to view it in their own Find My app or in Messages. You'll see options for how long to share indefinitely, or a time-limited option like 1 hour or until the end of the day. If you're coordinating a quick meetup, a shorter window is usually best. If it's a family member you regularly share with, share indefinitely can be more convenient. You stay in control the entire time, and you can stop sharing later whenever you want. After you pick the duration, tap OK to confirm. That's it, your location is now shared. The app will keep updating your position as you move, so the person you selected can follow along accurately. A few tips before we wrap up. Precise location works best when location services are on and you have a solid signal. Only share with people you trust, and remember you can manage or end sharing from the same People tab at any time. And if your contact doesn't see your location right away, give it a moment for the notification to arrive and the map to refresh. You're all set to share your location safely and confidently with Find My.